Deere beautiful tractors. This one a John Deere B of 1941, owned by G. Carson and Whitby. 16 horsepower with a four-wheel drive, built for small holding epic in late 2021. New wheels and cars fitted, ongoing restoration, used for vintage rallies and ploughing matches, owned and installed by Conrad Hopkins and Manchester in Essex. Number 93, a Massey Ferguson 35 of 1961, together with a mounted plough owned by C. Humphrey and Ely. PA20 of 1949, owned by B. Burgess and Ely, together with a mounted plough. Number 23, a member of the Beckenham Tractor Boys. It's a Massey Ferguson 35X of 1963, owned by A. Cornwall and Lewis Edmonds. And just think, we got the potato plants on the back. We have, absolutely superb. Number 13 comes towards me now, a Ferguson TEF of 1951, Major 4WG of 1956, owned by T. Matheson of Bunky. Number 22, a Massey Ferguson 35 of 1962, owned by M. Bud of Ipswich. 9 is T. Slater's 1947, Ferguson PA20. This one, a bean tool carrier of 1950, also known as Billy Bean's Funny Machine. Purchased in a rusty condition and restoration repainted by the late Mr. Gammon and Mrs. Gammon, with most of the work being undertaken outdoors. Powered by a 4.8 petrol engine and recently had a replacement gearbox fitted. It can carry a variety of tools, including a drill box, various interval hose and scuppers, or a spraying rig, owned by Mrs. J. Gammon. Oh, Beckenham, we were talking about this one this morning when Phil joined me in the commentary box. Beautiful machine, fantastic to see it, a rare tractor, you don't get many of these. Number 14 with me now, a Ferguson TEF of 1955, together with a mounted plough owned by T.J. Rudman of Bedford. Number 35 coming towards me, together with a cultivator. It's a 1958 Fordson Power Major, owned by Arcade of Bettles. Another cultivator on the back, very nice. Number 59, a beautiful Alice Chalmers D272 of 1960. Number 15, a Ferguson TEF of 1956, owned by R. Clark of King's Lynn. This one has got a subsoiler BA BE28 on the back, followed by number 42, a lovely little Leyland 154 of 1978. Owned by Iceland from Leicester, together with a slump tractor. Just going to have a quick chat with the chap behind. Number 70 is the programme. It's a Duper 1974 owned by Keith Chapman of Brandon, being followed by a lovely example of an Alice Chalmers Caterpillar. Alice Chalmers M of 1942. Number 54 with me now, the Corning International, 434 of 1957, also in the beautiful tractor, taken by the late Mr. Gammon from the Seaboard area, 15 for 4,000 of 1974, owned by DCR Hubbard Lorry. That's where you can tell us all about it. Right, the service is being 1952, so it's petrol TVI or petrol marathon if you like. 5,000. With us now with a lovely Ferguson TS20 Detour 3011 of 1967, owned by AK of Kingsley. Tell us a little bit about the Detour tractor.
Well, these tractors are second to back in, I mean, the old
Well, on the side of the category now, horticultural machinery, J. Rod, Kingsley. 1978, owned by J. Rod, Kingsley. Together with a very useful pallet holder on the back of the forklift, tractor known as Fanny, together with a potato planter of 1948, owned by A. Havelock of Stone Market. Number 105, a Thornton Dexter of 1964, owned by R. Hill of Bulldog. Big Follow model, manufactured in 1953, rated at 12 horsepower with a single cylinder engine, with an electric start, exported to the UK from Germany in 2007. The tractor is primarily used in vineyards and small holdings. Both from the German manufacturer, founded by Joseph Boats in 1948, who in turn taken over by Class in 1968, owned by Grey Knight. Number 33 comes to you, Derek. 41. A Caterpillar C4D. 60J of 1975, owned by F. Fowler of March. Caterpillar is very useful in the land around March. Pretty boggy there, those areas. They're drained by the fence, very rich, dark soil. Caterpillar's ideal machinery for getting about on that soil. This was the Supermaker, owned by J. Patmore. Well, the distinctive livery of a John Deere is number 2, a John Deere GW of 1951, owned by R. Harrison of Bedford. F20 of 1954, owned by J. Morton and Leon, together with a man plough. He's got his ploughing stakes there in the front. Is it ploughing yet? A Thornton Super Dexter of 1960, that was a long time, were Field Marshal. This one a Field Marshal Series 1 of 1946, owned by Ed Personal and D. Langan of Holby. And again, it's that was commentating, if you hold the microphone up here, and listen to that sound. Flywheel on the front and turning auxiliary equipment. Number 107, a Thornton Major of 1952, owned by Ed McKenzie of Mildenhall. Number 128, an Alice Chalmers D270 of 1955, owned by R. Green of Folkestone. The beautiful tractor there, with a big rolling Alice Chalmers figurine. Can't help it, they have to be my favourite one. A National D250 of 1956, owned by Ed Alderton of Brandon. Beautiful sounding machine. And number 36, a Ransom Supernature, together with a Ransom Plough of 1961, owned by R.J. Worthy of Texas. So polite, a pleasure to commentate for them every single time. Absolutely love to see them here in the arena. Number 63, an International Harvester, B275 of 1964, owned by D. Charles of Bedford, together with a Mandy Plough. One of our very early tractors. A lovely International 816 of 1990. Now just remember, this tractor is older than some of the tractor engines you saw in the arena earlier. It's older than the engine Jesse, celebrating his 100th birthday this year. Number 30 with me now, a Thornton Major E27MP6 of 1951, owned by J. Lyons and Berry Stedman. Followed by number 27, a Thornton N of 1942, also owned by J. Lyons and Berry Stedman. Number 29 coming towards me now. A Fortune Major E27N of 1948 owned by Kay Jackson of Stevenage. Being followed there by a lovely old 19... Number 119. He is absolutely fantastic. And number 117. A Ford 6610 of 1982, also owned by ex-manager of Johnson Brandon. Well, this track is absolutely superbly turned out, number 26 in the programme. The year is 1938, owned by 8 kids of Stevenage. It's sleeping, superb effort. Number 11 in the programme, 8 of 1968, owned by James Thompson of Serum. Very early. If you're interested in early tractors, I'd probably recommend the Weeting Stick Rally held in June this year. Today we organised that rally. You told me how much they're raised for local charities. I was amazingly interested in this amount. Well, with me now I have number 87, a 1955 race. It's Mr. Gerald Seeley. The score base, the late 1950s, preservation by Arthur Hedge, owned by Mr. Gerald Seeley. Tractor this afternoon. This one's beautiful. It's a Turner Yeoman of England tractor, 1954, owned by G. Carson of Whiskey. Beautifully turned out. You don't see tractors this afternoon. A big thank you to all our tractor owners and drivers. I love to see them all here in the arena. I've seen many of them for many years. They're such great groups, guys and girls. They always talk to us. They always have to have a chat. And it's fascinating to talk to them.